Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Wasserbauer, here with advice on, here's the question, on how to be a hand Nazi. Now, I don't use the word Nazi lightly. What I really want you to do is to be really conscious of when your skin is being touched by your hands, in particular your face, the mouth, the nose, and the eyes, because this is how viruses get from your hand and touching something in the environment to your face. So here's a couple of ways to do it. If you are going out into the world and you're leaving the protective structure of your house, you're gonna have to touch a whole bunch of handles, a whole bunch of buttons, going in and out of doors. There's a couple ways to protect yourself. One is to wear gloves and only take them off when you come home and put them in the trash. And then wash your hands really clearly after, because you might have had to touch part of the glove when you were taking it off, okay? If you decide to go out in the world without wearing gloves, which is fine, not everybody has a set of gloves, take some hand sanitizer with you. And when you press that button, squeeze a little bit on the elevator door, squeeze a little bit of hand sanitizer, hand sanitize. You can, press the button with your elbow too. Maybe you sanitize your elbow. Not really necessary. But anytime you touch something, go out into the world, give yourself a little squish of hand sanitizer. It used to be difficult to find hand sanitizer in the last 3 weeks. I'm out here in Northern California. A lot of the companies in the area have really ramped up their hand sanitizer production, and a lot of them are giving away one bottle of hand sanitizer for everyone they sell to you. So not only will you be helping yourself by having a good supply, but they're also going to be helping the rest of the healthcare providers in your area to stay healthy and stop the spread of this virus. There's other things you can do when you want to be a hand Nazi, and washing your hands frequently is definitely one of them. Washing your hands frequently also includes keeping your nails short. This is also part of being a hand Nazi. Now, I'm a surgeon, so I can't have really long nails anyway. I used to love it when I had acrylic nails. They were really long. You can't do that. So get rid of the acrylic nails. They've probably fallen off by now anyway, because you can't go to get your nails done in a nail salon. Okay? Keep your nails really short. And here's a couple of things. If you want to keep the virus and anything else infected from getting underneath your nails and kind of around this little area, here's a trick. Scrape your nails across your palm, or kind of a wet bar of soap. Now, if you go out into the world and you are really careful about what you touch, sanitizing your hands after each encounter, after each, touching the handle of the grocery store cart, touching the handle of the door that you're opening, whether it's to a refrigerator someplace else, maybe in the grocery store again, or the handle of the door going into the pharmacy, you will not get COVID-19. If you protect yourself in that way and you're really very careful, you do not need to wear a hazmat suit. You're not going to be somebody who is in the ICU taking care of somebody who's extremely infective and going from infective patient to infective patient. But if you go out into the world and are really careful about, being a hand Nazi, then you will not get this disease. Now, there's exceptions to every rule. I'm not sure what your particular circumstance is, but that's a couple of easy ways that you can help protect yourself. I hope that helps.